Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the apps and getting to the recent view. Open both apps you plan to use so Android keeps them in memory. Once done, swipe up from the bottom or tap the Recent button to show recent apps. This places your apps into the interface that controls multitasking. Make sure you're not in full-screen immersive mode. That can hide controls. Now look for the split screen control on the app card. This is the first actionable item that begins the split process. You now activate split screen by tapping the split screen icon on the top of the app card, or long press the app title and choose split screen. This pins that app to the top or left pane immediately. Then pick the second app from recent or open it from the app drawer. It fills the other pane. Use the central divider to resize. Dragging it changes how much screen each app gets. This is important because some apps render differently at narrow widths, so resize to the most usable layout. To finish, interact normally with both apps. You can drag the divider, tap the swap button if visible, or drag the divider to the edge to exit split screen. If one app refuses to split, that app likely blocks multi-window for design or security reasons. Choose an alternative app or use app-specific floating windows. If controls don't appear in recent, restart the phone and try again. This clears temporary UI glitches. Make sure system updates are installed, because firmware changes can add or remove split screen behavior.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.